Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, ACE's home expert, and today's video is about Indoor Plants 101. Okay, so we've got our pot. I put the tape at the bottom there. This particular plant's going to go inside. Now you can see if I drop it all the way in, it's too low. We want to make sure that when the plant is in there, the soil that's at the top of this plant is higher, maybe not right at the top, but pretty close to the top, so that the plant has the most success to grow. And so you're going to go ahead and apply a little of the potting soil at the bottom there so that we can build it up a little bit. That's also going to allow the roots to grow. And you can test that out with that container. That's about the right height right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Now what you want to do is loosen it, turn it on its side, and squeeze the container a little bit to loosen the soil that's inside this plant. Kind of turn it and loosen it, and then gently pull it off and peel it away, and then put it down inside there. So then you're going to take the soil and you're going to place it around the plant gently. You don't want to kind of jam it in there. You want to just sort of fill it in easily all the way around. With the lighter blend, there's a lot of peat moss that's inside potting soils, so that it's a way for it to enhance the root growth and really allow the roots to spread out and really kind of grow and stretch. That's the whole idea. When you take an indoor plant like this and put it into a larger pot, you give the roots the ability to grow, and a strong root system, no matter what kind of plants you're working with, whether indoor or out, is the secret to a healthy plant. Now with the potting soil, as I mentioned, with the Miracle-Gro, 6 months. You don't have to do any kind of feeding whatsoever. But if you want to, and I talked to you about these fertilizing sticks, these are for indoor plants. There's both indoor and outdoor, so make sure you're choosing the right ones. Just kind of place those in the outside, 1, 2, just like that. Then when you water around there, as I mentioned, it'll dissolve and it will feed the root system, and it's a slow release. That's it. Place this in the right spot and you're going to see it grow like crazy. Now, it's a good idea is once you've put that plant in there a little bit, I just have a little watering bottle here, just a little bit of water, not a lot. You don't want to shock the plant, because right now that plant coming out of that little container is already super excited to be in there. It's kind of going to start stretching a little bit, and you want to start watering this about once a week. Pay attention to how the plant looks. Follow the instructions that come with the plant when you buy it, and you'll be amazed at how terrific it's going to look. One other tip when it comes to indoor plants: you may be so successful that this plant grows like crazy, to the point where if all of a sudden the leaves and the blooms are the same size or bigger than the pot you have it in, then it's time to transplant it to an even bigger pot. These are the problems when you have a green thumb like that. So now all you need is a little sunlight and water, and watch your plants grow. If you follow these tips, you should be able to grow indoor plants successfully. Now, if you need more help or advice, just go to your local ACE hardware store. The store associates would be happy to help. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. ACE is the helpful place.